I like to keep the grinder moving so it doesn't get too hot. You can hear how chalky that horn is? That's all dead material. See that dark pocket? That's where the infection sat. Just take the time to open it up and let it breathe. Now a good sweep with the brush and you can see the healthier sole coming through.
Story of every mile a horse has traveled. My job is to keep that story moving. With a steady hand and a trained eye, I shape, balance, and protect each foot so the whole horse stays sound.